Standard 7. So previous class we have discussed about the atmosphere, the layers of atmosphere, 5 types, and weather and climate, then air temperature also. So today we are going to discuss about the variation of temperature. The temperature at a particular place does not remain constant. Okay? It varies with the time of the day and the time of the year. So you have learned in this previous class that this is because of variation in the inclination of the sun's rays and the duration of sunlight. Okay? The maximum and the minimum temperature recorded at a place on a particular day can be used to calculate the mean or average temperature for that day. For example, suppose maximum and minimum temperature at a place on a certain day are 36 Celsius and 24 degree Celsius respectively. So divide the sum of these temperature, how much? 36 and 24 is equal to 60. It is divided by 2. So the result is 30 degrees Celsius, which is mean temperature of the place on that day. So similarly, one may calculate the mean monthly and mean annual temperatures. Okay? The difference between maximum and minimum temperatures gives the range of temperature in the case mentioned above. Okay? So the range of temperature for the day, that is the diurnal range of temperature is 36 degrees Celsius minus 24 degrees Celsius is equal to how much? 12 degrees Celsius. Okay? The difference between the mean temperatures of the hottest and coldest months of a year is called the annual range of temperature. So temperature also varies from place to place, mainly due to variation in latitude, altitude and distance from the where? Sea. The higher the latitude of a place is, lower is its temperature. The greater the distance of a place from the sea, the higher is its range of temperature, both diurnal and annual. So now, greenhouse. It has gone already. Greenhouse effect and global warming. You know that solar energy heats up the Earth's surface. Once heated, the Earth's surface radius heat, much of the radiated heat is reflected towards the Earth mainly by the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. As a result, the heat gets trapped. This effect is similar to the heating of what? A greenhouse. And it is known as the greenhouse effect also. Without this trapping of heat, the earth would have been so cold at night that we could not have survived on it. You know that green plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis. However, as the human population is growing, we are cutting down more and more trees for wood. We are clearing forests to use the land for building and agriculture also. So our factories and vehicles are emitting what? more carbon dioxide than ever before. In other words, we are increasing the emission of carbon dioxide but reducing the number of trees. This is gradually increasing the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. You know, as a result, the greenhouse effect is increasing gradually, causing global temperatures to rise automatically. Rise and क्या? This is known as global warming. इसको हम लोग global warming बोलते हैं. So it is feared that continued global warming may cause much of the polar ice to melt. जो नॉर्थ पोल है, साउथ पोल है, उसमें क्या है ना, आइस जो है वो मेल्टिंग होने का चांस रहता है ज़्यादा ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होने से. अभी जो हो रहा है, अभी भी हो रहा है, मेल्टिंग हो रहा है. So if that happens, the water level of the oceans will rise and many islands and coastal areas will get submerged. वो धीरे धीरे जो लैंड है, वो सी जो है उसका हाइट बढ़ जाएगा और वो जो है वो पानी में आ जाएगा. So now atmospheric pressure and winds. Like all things around us, air is wet. Although air weighs very little, the weight of all the air in the atmosphere is huge. This huge weight pushes down on the Earth's surface, but fortunately it is spread over a large area. The weight of the atmosphere pushing down on a unit area on the Earth's surface is called atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is measured with the help of a barometer. It is a machine. A simple barometer consists of a long mercury filled gaseous tube inverted over a cup of mercury. The pressure of air on the mercury in the cup passes off the mercury in the tube. So atmospheric pressure is measured in terms of the height of the mercury column. वो बैरोमीटर में जो मरकुरी का कलम रहता है उसका हीट जो इफेक्ट आता है उसमें वो धीरे धीरे बढ़ता है. उसी में हम लोग को पता चलता है कि कितना क्या हुआ. At sea level, atmospheric pressure is about 1 kg per square centimeter. This pressure supports a column of memory 760 minimum high. The atmospheric is densest near the Earth's surface as one climbs higher. Therefore, atmospheric pressure decreases with increasing altitude. The simple mercury barometer is large and not very portable. The Arnold barometer is more commonly used. It does not use any liquid and is therefore easier to handle. So, this type of barometer has a partially evacuated metal box which expands with the pressure of low and gets compressed when the pressure is high. The box is connected to a pointer that moves over a scale to indicate the atmospheric pressure. So next class we shall have discussed already. Yes sir. Next class we will discuss permanent pressure belts, permanent winds and local winds, monsoon and cyclonic winds. Okay? Thanks. Have a good day.